All right, so this is what your data should look like. You should have done 3 shots with each mass. So mass is on the X column and distance is on the Y column. Click the wrench in order to label your X-axis, mass, measured in grams, and the Y value is distance, and that could be measured in inches or centimeters, whatever you did. Either one is fine. And then you'll see that your axes are labeled. If you're wondering how I got the data in this table, you click the plus sign and then you press table, and that will create a table for you to add your values. So the question is, how do we get this line that goes through our data points? You are going to press the plus sign and press expression, and then type in y equals mx, go back to numbers, plus b. You might have learned this in math class. And then you're going to press the blue button that says all, and you get something called a slider. The goal is to get your line through your points, to follow the pattern of the points, half below, half above. So what I'm going to do is show you that you can adjust the line up and down like so. Okay, I want my line to go a little lower. Right now the range is -10 to 10. I'm going to change it to -50 up to +50. And the step will be 1. And then I'm going to tap in the middle of the screen. And as you can see now, I can move the line up and down. And that looks pretty good. The only thing is right now, my points start off below the line, and then they end up above the line. So I need to rotate my line a little bit, so I'm going to adjust the slope. Now that's moving way too fast. My slope is right around 1, so I don't need to go from -10 to 10. I'll just say from 0 to 2, right? Because 1 falls in that range. And I'll make a step. You want this step to be very small, 0.0 or 0.1, really small. And that's going to allow you to smoothly adjust the slope. So I'm actually going to make my line follow the pattern of the points and maybe lower it just a little bit. Now I'm a little too low. I'm going to make it a little steeper line. And that's pretty good right about there. So notice my end points are a little bit below the line, so maybe I go reshoot and retest from those values. You can also click the wrench and press capital A, and that will turn your graph into a little bit more visually friendly. And at this point, you will be ready to press and hold, and you can drag along the line. Notice the first value, like right here, it says 150. Well, let's go here. 200. I'm at 200. I can't see my own finger. I'm gonna go up to 200. So the first number is 213. That's my mass, and the second number is 200. So if I'm trying to hit a target 200 inches away, I would use a mass of about 213, 214 grams.